Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to attach PDF to MailerLite email. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on MailerLite, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, let me tell you that MailerLite does not support attaching PDF files directly to emails due to email deliverability concerns and restrictions imposed by email clients. But of course, there are several methods that you can attach a PDF file, which is via a link on your MailerLite email campaign. So let's explore on that. Now, the first thing is, make sure you have stored the PDF file accordingly on your computer or on your directory. In my case, I'm gonna download this one as a PDF. All right, I'm gonna click on it and click on download, and then after that, I'm simply going to my G drive and attach the PDF file here so I can get access to the link. All right, now the file is being attached. All right, and from here, all I have to do is simply click on the share option. And of course, all I gotta do is copy and click on the share. If you wanted to give an access, or those who can get the link can always access, edit, and view or download the file. But of course, for now, I'm gonna copy link and switch over to the MailerLite campaign. Now, once you are on the MailerLite dashboard, click on the campaigns. And if you wanted to create a campaign here, sign up to MailerLite and welcome to MailerLite. All right. Now here you can choose your editor, but I'm gonna just select the drag and drop editor. All right, let me click on that, and this is where we can add PDF file to the MailerLite email. Just wait for it to load. Now go to the search and click on the button. All right, click on that and drag the button here, and you see the link. All I'm gonna do is enter the URL link, which is gonna be the link earlier. All right, let me click on that and enter the URL link. All right, and that's that. And you can also click on open link in a new tab if you wanted. All right, that's it. That's basically how you attach PDF file or attach PDF to MailerLite email. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.